I think that Albania is rich in hospitality. People are really very friendly.
What is up, guys? This is Timtense here and Jessica, and we're in the south of Albania in Ksamil. It's very beautiful here. We're going to check out the Butrint National Park right now, and after that we're going to swim a little bit here because there's plenty of beaches and it's absolutely beautiful. And we have arrived at Butrint National Park. It's about 10 minutes driving from Ksamil, the town, and the parking costs 100 lek.
Butrint was an ancient Greek and later Roman city. The entrance to the Butrint site is 700 lek for foreigners or 200 lek for Albanians. The site is one of the most impressive ones in Albania. Butrint consists of remains from many impressive buildings, one of them being the Butrint Theater. It had a capacity for over 1,500 spectators.
So the amphitheater right here is actually visible on the bill of 2,000 lek. If you haven't seen the video from James Leithart, who is living in Albania but is an American, you should definitely check it out.
Another impressive building is the Venetian castle, from where you can have an amazing view over the area.
Say hi to our friends from Belarus. And what do you think so far from Albania?
I think that Albania is rich in hospitality. People are really very friendly and prices are really low, cheap. So you definitely must go to Berat and to Ksamil on Albanian Riviera. The water is very clean. I can compare it with Croatia or something like this.
So this was it for Butrint. It's a very nice place actually. It's like the Roman city, and now we're heading to the beach. Not sure which beach yet because we don't have that much time, but we will find a beach with hopefully not too many people and take a quick swim because we need it. We drove a little bit further away from Ksamil. On the way to Sarande we found this beach. We wanted to get rid a little bit of the touristy areas of Ksamil, so I hope here it's better. So we were hoping for a little bit less crowded beach, but I think here in the south of Albania most beaches are really busy and really crowded, so we're just going to take a quick dip and maybe eat something, and then that will be it. Alright, after a quick swim at Monastery Beach, we're back at our hotel. We're going to grab something to eat, and then we're heading to Bianco Lounge, which is from the same owner as this hotel, the Murati Hotel, where we're staying. And we're going to have some cocktails there and watch the sunset, because apparently it's a very beautiful spot. So we're at Bianco Lounge now, just on the border, and you can see all the islands here of Ksamil, and I'm about to fly my drone, so fly with me. Alright guys, this was it for the video in Ksamil. I'm having a delicious cocktail here at Bianco Lounge, which is probably one of the best sunset spots here on the Ksamil Islands, so make sure to come and get a cocktail here. And the next video will be in Girocastra, that's where we're heading tomorrow, so see you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up.